welcome back to my channel The Air Girl. So in today's video, as the title says, I am going to show you my hair care routine. So a lot of people on Instagram wanted to know how do I take care of my hair. So here is the video. So let's not waste any minute and quickly start with the video. So first thing first, I am going to show you what I do before washing my hair. So if people don't know, I have got smoothing done like few months back before this lockdown. So I'm not doing oiling these days because apparently you are not supposed to oil your hair for like 6 months after the smoothing. So yep, so I've stopped oiling my hair, but when I used to oil my hair, these two oils like I used to use in the past. So this is the Parachute coconut oil, as everybody knows, and this is the castor oil. Okay, so I have used the Mamaearth castor oil because people on Instagram wanted to know which oil do I use. So it was the castor oil by Mamaearth, but then since Amazon has decided to not to like deliver it at my place, so this is the one that I'm currently using. I had bought this from a medical shop. Okay, so these two oils are really good. So I put this on the roots of my hair and I use this on the like tips, like the end tips of my hair. So these are the two oils that I use before washing my hair. And for people who are into masks and all, I used to use this protein hair cream by Himalaya. So you can use it before washing your hair and after washing your hair as well. So I used to use it when I used to style my hair for my flights, and it is really nice for your hair. So either I used to leave it for like 30 minutes and then wash my hair, or as I told you, I used to style my hair for my flights and I used to just use this ताकि वो एक जगह टिके रहे मेरे बाल. So yeah, this is the one. Second one is by Biotique, and this is the Biotique Bio Musk Root. So I've tried it for like 1 or 2 times, and then my mom told me that it can make my hair black. And why I don't want to make my hair, because I love my natural hair color. It is more on the brown side, like the light brown side. So that's the reason I had stopped using it. So it has got all the natural products. I think yes, mulethi root, amla fruit. So yeah, people who want to make their hair black, I think this would be a really nice hair mask for you. So yeah, this is the mask and the protein hair cream. And for people who don't want to use like all these pre-made masks, you can make homemade masks. Like you can use yogurt for people who are facing dandruff problems, and for people who want to like grow their hair like length, then you can use rice water. People who want shine in their hair, you can use egg mask. It does wonder. Now we are done what I do before washing my hair. So I'll tell you what all shampoos I use. So this is the one that I'm currently using. So these two are for around 1000 something 300 rupees. I'll put the link in the bio and I'll put the exact price here. This I was using the Matrix shampoo and conditioner. This I'll put a picture here. They were around 500 rupees. Like both of them costed me around 500 rupees, and I really liked it. So yep, I might switch to those two. I wanted to try this as well, but even this is nice. And before that, I used to use the Brazilian Keratin Therapy shampoo, which was also very nice. I had bought it from Istanbul because यहाँ पे थोड़ा expensive है on Amazon, so I had bought it from like Istanbul. So yeah, these are the shampoos that I use currently. And after I am done shampooing and conditioning my hair, after that there are 2 serums that I use. First one is this. These are the 2 serums that I'm currently using. This one I put it on the like at the end of my hair, and this one I put it properly like पूरे बालों पे. This is on the thicker side. ये थोड़ा सा इसकी consistency थोड़ी सी light है, ये थोड़ा thick है. So yeah, ये मैंने इंडिया से नहीं लिया था, ये कहीं और से लिया था. If in case I find it, I will put the link. I really like it because it has got argan oil. So argan oil is really good for your hair. This is something जो budget में है और जो बहुत अच्छा है. Like a छोटू bottle is for like 55 rupees only. I put it on my wet hair. I don't let my hair go dry and then put the serums. So I prefer using the serums on my wet hair. So yeah, in case you don't want to use those two serums, you can use this. I love this product. I'll tell you in what all ways you can use it. So this can be used as your oil replacement. Like agar oil nahi use karna, you can use this. Leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it. Then you can use it as a serum as well, as a conditioner, and then heat protectant. So yeah, so for people who have got frizzy hair, you can try this one. This will make the frizzy hair go away like this. Just take it on your hands, like very small quantity, rub it and just apply it on your hair and the frizziness would go. I had recommended this to my mom and to my mommy. They both liked it. And yes, so before I curl my hair or straighten my hair, I use this as a heat protectant. So I have not like spent money on some like expensive heat protectant. I use this and this does the work. So these are all the products that I am currently using, and yeah, this is all it. I don't do anything specific for my colored hair. uh, this is it. So I don't get my hair trimmed like very frequently. मैंने I think it अब की बार trim करवाया था after like 2 years. So for most of the people, trimming their hair works, but according to me it's fine like that also. I just see अगर split ends या ऐसा कुछ है तो मैं उनको कट कर लेती हूँ, नहीं तो it's okay. I let them grow. And then I don't like rub my hair. जैसे मैं गीले बाल हैं उनको मैं rub नहीं करती हूँ. I just take out the excess water using a towel or a t-shirt. I just take out the excess water and I let them air dry. I don't use any blow dryer till the time I'm not in a hurry. I don't use any blow dryer on my hair. I let it like them air dry. So yeah, this is what I do for my hair, and I don't usually straighten or curl my hair. I do it very occasionally, like if I'm going out for a party or something like that, only then. And always use a heat protectant. I've already told you, and like not so expensive heat protectant. You can try this. Yup, I think pretty much it, and I hope you guys like my hair routine. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in case you want me to do any such videos in the future, do let me know in the comment section below. And yep, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.